The today's outline of the class is, in the previous class we studied one case studies, insulin pump control system. The next is remaining two example is a patient information system for mental health care. It is also called as in short form MENT care, mental health care. So what is the use of this system is a system used to maintain a record of people receiving care for mental health problem. Who is cure for mental health problem? Psychiatric doctor can care this type of problem, mental health problems. The second example is Wilderness Weather Station. So in this example, a data collection system that collect the data about weather condition in remote area. So the purpose of this station is it collect the data about weather condition in remote areas. So these two examples are given in the case studies, and total 3 examples are given in the case studies. So now saying the first example is a patient information system for mental health care. So MENT care. So the main purpose of this example is a patient information system to support mental health care in medical information system that maintain information about patient suffering from mental health problem. So who is cure for this type of patient? Psychiatric doctor. So the main purpose is this type of medical information system that maintains information about patient suffering from mental health problem and treatment that they have received. So which type of treatment they have received. So the most mental health patients do not require dedicated hospital treatment. They can take care in the house also. So but need the attend specialist clinic. So it can attend to the psychiatric doctor where they can meet a doctor who has detailed knowledge of their problem. To make it easier, patient to attend the clinic are not just in a hospital, run in a hospital. They may also be held in local medical practice or community centers. So this type of system is called as a MENT care. So MENT care is an information system that is intended for use in clinics. So it makes use of centralized database of the patient information, but has also been designed to run on the personal computers so that they may access and use from the sites that do not have a secure network connectivity. When the local system has secure network access, they use the patient information in the database, but they can download and use local copies of patient records when they are disconnected. So what is the goal of this type of system is to generate management information that allows the health service manager to assess the performance against local and government targets, to provide medical staff with timely information to support the treatment of patient. These are the two goals. So the first one is to assess the performance against local and government target, and second is to provide medical staff with timely information to support the treatment of the patient. So this is the organization of MENT care system. So these are the MENT care clients. So number of clients are there, MENT care clients, and network MENT care server. So here all patient database is stored. So MENT care clients can access the patient database through network. So through MENT care server. So this is the organization of MENT care system. So what are the key features of the MENT care system? There are 3 key features. One is individual care management, the patient monitoring, administrative reporting. So clinician can create a record for patients. So first it can edit the information in the system, view the patient history, etc. The system supports the data summarize so that doctor can quickly learn about the key problems and treatment they have been prescribed. So based on this record, doctor can easily recognize it. And second is patient monitoring. The system monitors the records of patients that are involved in treatment and issues warning if possible problems are detected. Administrative reporting. The system generates monthly management reports showing the number of patients treated at each clinic. So at the administrative side, the number of patients who have entered and number of patients who have left the care system. So number of patients sectioned, the drug prescribed and their cost. So all this information is used for administrative reporting. So these are the three key features of the main care system: individual care management, patient monitoring, and administrative reporting. So main care system concerns only these 2 points. One is the privacy and safety, how it is see. So it is essential that patient information is confidential. So all the information are saved in confidential and is never disclosed to anyone apart from authorized medical staff and patient themselves. So authorized medical staff means, that means example, doctor is one example. So doctor can only see it. So all the reports are confidential and never disclosed to anyone apart from the authorized medical staff and patient themselves. The second issue is safety. Some mental illness cause patient to become suicides or danger to others. Wherever possible, the system should warn medical staff about potentially suicide or dangerous patient. The system must be available when needed. Otherwise, safety may be compromised and it may be impossible to prescribe the correct medication to the patient. So these are the 2 points concerned. One is the privacy and safety. And second example is Wilderness Weather Station. So in the given diagram, the weather station environment. Under this weather station, there are 3 components. One is the weather station, data management and archiving, and station maintenance. So what are the use of all 3 components? See one by one. So what is the wilderness weather station? The government of the country with large areas of wilderness decide to deploy several hundred weather stations in the remote areas. The purpose is to the government to deploy several hundreds of weather stations in the remote area. So weather station, the purpose of this station is collect the data from a set of instruments. By using the instrument, it can collect it that measure temperature, pressure, sunshine, rainfall, wind and wind direction. So these are the parameters. So that instruments that measure all these parameters. One is temperature, pressure, sunshine, rain, wind speed and wind direction. The weather station includes number of instruments that measure weather parameters such as wind speed, direction, ground and air temperature, the barometer pressure and rainfall of 24 per days. Each of these instruments is controlled by software system. So all these instruments are controlled by the software system that takes parameter reading periodically and manage the data collected from the instruments. So this is the weather station environment. So what are the 3 components contains in this system? One is the weather station, data management and archiving, station management. So the first is weather station. So this is a weather station. So this is responsible for collecting the weather data, carrying out some initial data processing and transmitting it to the data management system. This is the purpose of this weather station system. The second is data management archive. The system collects the data from all the wilderness weather station, carries out the data processing and analysis and archiving the data. The third component is the station maintenance system. The system can communicate by satellite with all the wilderness weather station to monitor the health of these systems and provide reports of the problems. So these are the 3 components contains for the weather station environment. Thank you.